Hey squad, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yuri Tochila, and let's get started. Today we are digging into the PMO, what it is, its key functions, and the types the organizations use. What is a PMO? Project Management Office, or PMO, is an organizational structure that standardizes project-related governance processes and facilitates the sharing of resources, methodologies, tools, and techniques. In simple terms, a PMO exists to support project managers, enable better decision-making, and increase the likelihood of project success. Important clarification: a PMO does not replace project managers. A PMO does not manage every project directly. A PMO creates the environment where projects can succeed. Why organizations create a PMO? Organizations establish PMOs when they face problems such as inconsistent project results, no common methodology, poor visibility into project performance, projects not aligned with strategy. The PMO helps ensure alignment with organizational strategy, consistent governance, efficient use of resources, and enable or support benefits realization. Core functions of a PMO: standards and methodologies, defining project management frameworks, templates, and processes, governance and oversight, ensuring projects follow approved processes, decision gates, and escalation paths. Performance reporting, providing dashboards, KPIs, and portfolio-level visibility for executives. Resource management, supporting capacity planning and allocation of project managers and specialists. Coaching and knowledge sharing, developing project management maturity across the organization. Not every PMO does all of this, and that's intentional. There are three primary types of PMOs, based on their level of control and authority. Let's start with the supportive PMO. This type features low control and mainly provides templates, best practices, and training. It acts as a consultant, typical in organizations with high PM maturity. On the other hand, we have the controlling PMO. This type has moderate control and requires compliance with standards and frameworks. It also performs audits and reviews. This is the most common PMO type in medium to large organizations. Finally, there is the Directive PMO. This type exercises high control and directly manages projects. It also assigns project managers, often used in highly regulated or transformation-heavy environments. Key takeaway: a PMO is not about control for the sake of control. It's about consistency, visibility, and strategic alignment. When designed correctly, a PMO becomes a strategic asset, not an administrative layer. Alright, that's all for today. Don't miss out, hit like and subscribe. Stay awesome, and as always, peace.